Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be giving you a daily cleaning routine. We have had 5 snow days in a row, so this is what our house has been looking like. We've had toys all over the place, and like I said, we've kind of been cooped up and stuck in the house, so everything is still a little messy. I try my best to keep up with housework, but this is what I do every single day, so I'm just going to show you what I do without having the big giant mess or having to mop and sweep, because I don't mop every single day. But right now I'm just going to be in the living room and I'm just going to be taking care of all of the toys and folding our blankets, and then the girls actually helped me take care of everything as well.
I'm looking for a way inside your mind. It's a haze of mysteries. All I see is smoke and mirrors and the reflecting memories. I need to figure out how things are twined. The ropes are choking us. If only I could blow away the heavy clouds up in our sky.
And we did play Play-Doh this morning, so I am going to end up wiping everything down because I don't know what it is about Play-Doh, but it leaves the weirdest marks on this table. I don't know why, but it's just disgusting. So I did clean everything down so we would be ready for lunch and dinner and everything like that. And then I'm just in the kitchen right now, just picking everything up from breakfast. So this is just a really simple thing. I wipe the counters down every single day, and I do take care of everything on the counters because when the kitchen is clean, I don't really care if any other room in the house is messy. And this made my heart just super happy because every time I would turn around cleaning something, Scarlett was around the corner cleaning something else all by herself. I didn't ask her to help or pick up anything. She just chose to do it all on her own. So that just made my heart just so happy. Okay, so this is in the evening now, and this is right after dinner, and yes, I clean the kitchen a couple times a day. I pick it up as I go all through the day so I don't have a big giant mess to take care of. I do not like dirty dishes in my sink. We have a dishwasher, so I don't see any reason to ever have dirty dishes sitting in our sink. And then I'm just picking up everything from dinner, and then I'm just going to start the dishwasher. I always start the dishwasher right after dinner, so the dishes are done and I can kind of open everything out and let everything dry through the night, and then in the morning I just take care of all of the dishes. Another thing I do every single evening is empty the garbage can. I don't normally actually have to clean it, but I do just empty it so the garbage doesn't stink up our house for the next morning. And then I always, for the majority of the time, probably maybe every other day, if not every day, I vacuum the floors downstairs just because I don't know what it is, but I feel like we track in so much and we don't even wear our shoes in the house, but we get crumbs everywhere, and this just makes me feel so good about coming downstairs in the evening after the girls have had a bath and just being able to relax and not have to do anything. So this just is just something that I always have to do just for peace of mind. I feel like if my floors are clean, then my whole house is
with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
And then on this day, I did have some laundry to take care of, and that is usually all I do on a daily routine to keep our house tidy. This seriously helps a lot, especially when you have kids. I know it's sometimes hard to take care of and manage your home, but this has absolutely always worked for me. So if you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
To be able to find myself.